Okay, this is what we need for our cow cam, our all-weather mobile cow cam. Obviously we need our camera, we're going to use this D-Link. We need a mobile source of internet, the power cables, and we need our source of power. So I'm going to use this EcoFlow. Now I think there should be enough power in here to last it a week or so, which means I can charge it up when I'm around and then reset things. If there isn't enough power, because batteries often pack it in, even though I'm only charging a couple of, what is it, 5 watts or something. It doesn't use a lot of power, and this thing doesn't use a lot of power, but incredible how much it just saps away when it's on continuously. We do have the option of sticking a solar panel in there to make it last a little bit longer. And then we've got our crate to weatherproof everything, and we're just going to cut a little window. Actually, if we need the big crate, I think we can use the little crate, because we've got a little window already cut here. Okay, so this is what we've got it set up. We can see that we've got continuous charge. We've got the camera set up, connected to the 3-pin plug there. It all fits in this little green box. Now we've got the internet source, the mobile 4G dongle connected up by the USB, just a little bit tight there. Might try to waterproof that a little bit better. And I've got to just cut a little window in here so the camera can just pop out here. So this is the next thing we need. Just make some cuts along here. As far forward as possible. So I'll try to do that. It's a bit better. That's pretty good. That should be a pretty decent little cow cam. Okay, there we go. I think we got it ready. Reasonable, waterproofing wise. A roof. Go on. We are ready to go. Our waterproof cow cam, fully mobile, up and down. Let's go see if we can slot it somewhere in the paddock. Okay, so this is recording my screen now. Internet is pretty slow here, so it's not... Oh, we're rotating the wrong way. Fuck, that's not good. So they think it's a... Hello, that's Scouty. That's little Fergus. They think it's a food box, but it's not. It's a little spying box for you guys. Alright, so now we just got to work out where to put the darn thing. We can spy on these guys in their paddock. Make sure they're eating their grass, doing what they're meant to do, and eat the grass and grow so that you can make me milk. Okay. Oh no, there's no food in there, guys. There's no food in there. There's no food in there, guys. Don't knock it over. There's no food. No. Can't you smell? Don't knock my box over. That's the problem. They could knock the box over. So let's make them a bit scared of it. Go away from here. Okay, let's go set it up. Okay, so it takes a little while to boot up. There we go. Yes. Okay, so just remembering that we have very, very slow internet. Can move it left. Alright, we just had to make a few more little adjustments there because there's a bit of a wider range that we wanted to be able to see. So we've got like, what is it? 180 degrees really. So we can see straight up there. There's the mooks, and then right around to there. Keep an eye on these guys. There. Alright, that is the view we're getting right now with the new setup. And got a few visitors. I was a bit disappointed with the EcoFlow battery capacity. I'll show you what I had to do. It wouldn't maintain enough power just for the mobile internet and the camera, so I had to attach a continuous input source of power as well. Check this out. Okay, so what I've had to do, we've connected everything up here. I've had to have an input cable connected up, input cable connected up to a solar panel. That's how hopeless these batteries are. It's a $1,500 battery, and it cannot charge, cannot maintain power for a 4G mobile internet and a little wireless camera just to keep this paddock under surveillance. Just hopeless. Anyway, hopefully the 100-watt panel and some sunshine will be able to keep the power into the unit. Alright, there it is. The surveillance cam, surveillance car cam. Take it anywhere.